Alright, here's a question that you can use to help solve a rational equation. First off, you see it's rational. And there's an equal sign, so you can use the I hate fractions rule, which says multiply every term by lowest common denominator. So the lowest common denominator here would be x minus 3 times x minus 1. So I'm going to take each term, 2x over x minus 1, and I'll leave a bit of space, 5 over x minus 3. I'll take both of those and multiply them by the lowest common denominator, x minus 3 times x minus 1, and x minus 3 times x minus 1. So in the first case, this one here, x minus 1's cancel, and I'm left with going x minus 3 times 2x. And on the other side, the x minus 3's cancel, so I'm left with x minus 1 times 5. If ever I have a binomial times a monomial, that's a distributive property. So it'll be 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times minus 3 is minus 6x. Then on the other side, I'll get 5x minus 5. Seeing that I have an x squared, I'm going to just bring everything to the left side. So 5x to this side will be subtract, so it would be a negative 11x. And minus 5 over this side would be a plus 5. Equals 0. Okay, now the fun stuff begins. So now I need to solve this. And to solve, I need to factor this quadratic. I think it's factorable. I think it's 2x and x. Things that multiply to 5. Or no, multiply to 10 and add to 11. I'm just guessing here. I'll put a 5 there and a 1 there. I think I'll make them both negative. Let's check. 2x squared minus 10x minus 1x is minus 11x. Minus 1 times minus 5 is plus 5. Yep, so I guessed right. So now I can use the zero property. When two things multiply, there's a multiply, and get 0, one of them has to be equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 is 0, or x minus 5 is equal to 0. Solving this equation, I'll get a half. Solving this equation, I'll get a 5. I take a look at both those numbers, a half and 5, and when I put them in here, they don't give me a negative. So assuming I did everything else right, I think those would be my answers. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that question.